Welcome my fans. Today I'm going to be showing you telling you an idea we are going to speak today, the idea of making money online, and if it's even a real thing. First of all, let's support by subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it to your friends so that we can get the same knowledge that you have been yearning for every time. So today I'm going to talk about the idea of working on internet. Working on internet varies from your area of experts and what you like doing on your everyday basis, on your everyday life. Someone can be liking how to play football. You can find how to make money online by playing football, and that can be through playing PlayStation. But for us here, most times we do real jobs, something about transcription, typing online, typing people's names and get paid money. And we also talk about things about affiliate marketing, where you can put in a link, then someone clicks on your link, and then when they buy products through your link, you get paid money. And all these things I'm talking about are real. All it takes is for you to believe it, and then you go and practice these things outside there. Yeah. So one thing I always tell people, when you come to this field of work, you have to handle it in also a very serious manner, in a way that the moment you go into your computer that you're starting to work, take it seriously. You need a book, you need a pen, so that you'll be able to record anything new that you find out. Yeah, sometimes there's a time you can go into the internet, then you find a video that is really killing it, you understand everything, and you see everything is simple, and you want to try it out. Record the name of the video, record the name of the person that you've seen it from, then go and practice it. Don't watch anything for free on let's say computer, on YouTube, on TikTok. Watch with the intention of getting something out of it, and in that way you can get the advantage of getting the knowledge that you want for working on the internet. One thing I always teach people is transcription. Yeah, and what is transcription? Transcription is where someone is given an audio file or a video file, and it's required to type everything that is spoken into a document. Yeah, it can be Word document or anything. So this is some of the things that you have to note. Number one, research by yourself what you have learned, what the idea is. You get the idea, which is working by transcription. What is transcription? Define the term. Can you do it? Do you love writing? Do you love English? Do you love working for people? There are people who generally don't like working for anyone, so they require their own job. They require passive income. Yeah, we also teach that here, but this idea applies to any field of work that you are in. Yeah, whether you're a person who is introvert, like you like working indoors, you are working in your own space, you are like working in a group, this all covers everything, every category in that. Yeah, and trust me, this is the video that everyone wants. I'm not here to tell you that, oh, you're going to be rich tomorrow, you're going to be rich in 2 hours. No, internet doesn't work like that. It's reality. If you come in a mindset that you want to get paid within 1 hour, you want to make money very fast, everyone would be rich. Everyone. But why are the people rich right now? Look at the lifestyle of the rich people. That's the thing you should adapt. Yeah, if you learn the critics of everything about the market, how to handle every field of work that you are coming across, there is your key to success.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Finding what you love doing. Yeah, and by the moment if you're stuck in this video even up to now, it means you're up to something. Yeah, and that something is for good. Ignore the face that is speaking to you. Ignore everything that you're speaking. Like, look deeper into yourself. What are you good at? What you love doing? Yeah. Then can you apply the same skills on the internet? Some people have studied after university, but you don't have a job. But you have a computer, you have a phone. Why not use this time to explore the internet? Get some few money. All what is required, I always tell you, you need a bank wallet, which in most cases translated into PayPal account. PayPal right now works generally almost in every place of the country. All you have to do is a free account. I have a video into my thing. Let me just scroll through it. It teaches you everything about PayPal, like how to create a PayPal. It's free, by the way, and several ways how to use it. The video is right here. How to create a PayPal account, business account. So I don't know why you struggle. Most times when you have the resources, at least if you don't have the resources, we understand you. But most times all you have to do is ask for help. If you have any gadget that you have, all you have to do is do a consultation. Like even here, put in the comments, I don't have this. Can I start working with this gadget that I have? And you'll get the answer. Most people who even watch these videos, they have the ideas of working online, but they want to explore all the ideas that they can find. And that is what we call a true researcher. Go and research, watch something that you even know. There might be something small into the video that you might grab. Yeah, not all of you that are watching this video are understanding everything that I'm saying. Yeah, but you grab something small that you can go and implement by yourself. Yeah, and that is the key here. You don't need to grab everything I say. Grab a few, grab one, two, go and do. Yeah, key points I highlighted. Working online is that's what I teach. So if you're in this video and you're watching me right now and you don't concentrate, you don't like working online, please go away. Go away. This might be a waste of your time, because that's literally what I concentrate on all the time. I make videos about making money on internet, and then I elaborate different ways that I can do that. Simple ways, complicated ways. I do all that. Like if I'm to say me personally, have I succeeded in this? Yes, in very many ways. And how is that? I try everything. My interest is working online. So I work on anything that I can find. Yeah. Then I stick on the one that best suits my understanding. The one I understand more. I don't understand everything. Yeah. But there are those ones that I grab with all the attention. I know every corner. I know every step. Yeah. Those are the ones I go for. Yeah. If it is Fiverr, what can I do on Fiverr? I do a lot of things, website design. When I post there, I do websites. I know any question that I'm asked, I can answer it. Logo design, I know any question that I'm asked, I can answer for it. Yeah. Like if you working on transcription, find a list of transcription companies, which I have here. I have very many videos about transcription. All you have to do is watch one by one. Find one that is easier for you. Find one. Like I do all. Some of them are not accepted globally. Some of them are accepted only in America, Europe. Some of them are denied access in Africa. But that does not stop you from trying it. Sometimes this thing's about luck and how good you are. If you have the experience of transcription, please don't hesitate even to sign up for the American company. This has happened to me before. Trusting in yourself is a key factor in everything. If you trust yourself that you can do anything on the internet, you can do a service for a person, that is it. Yeah. One thing I'm going to be recommending people from this video going on once is getting a personal website. Getting a website is so easy. A website has very many benefits to a person. Number one, it's going to expose you like a lot. It's going to expose you. You list your skill there. You list your contact. You list your email account. You list your telephone number. Everything is in the website. Yeah. And just to tell you, even a website has ways that you can activate it to earn for your money. If you get many people visiting your website, this is actually good for bloggers who like reviewing products, who like talking about something a lot. So it requires you to write a lot of articles, but you can also earn money from it. But I'm talking about 1-2 page website for a person, personal portfolio. Yeah. where the internet is wide. Anyone can see your internet profile. Yeah. Don't just have a portfolio, a CV that is on your computer that you want to go and print. Put it into writing, put it into electronic, put it into a website, so that when people are searching, your profile might come up. If they ask you like, what are your skills? If you present your website name to your boss, you're going to stand out from all the rest of the people who do not have a website. That's one of the things. They're going to know that you are a world ahead. You are one step ahead. And that is an advantage, yeah, you can have if you have a website. I personally do websites. I have my own website. So this exposes me. I benefited from it. Like if someone asks me like, what do you do? I can throw them my portfolio. One thing they can know, like, this guy has a website. Yeah, he hasn't just sent us his CV, but he has a website. So websites are always good. Then the other thing is asking for help. You have to ask for help when you see that you're not succeeding. As there are some things that you can be doing wrong that are so simple and someone knows how to get out of it. So all you have to do is ask a question for a person. Personally, I answer questions. I don't refuse people to text me. I don't refuse people to send me messages on WhatsApp and even on email. I have my personal email linked to my YouTube here. Just go to About, then find my email account there. Send me a message if you have trouble. And that is actually how you can get started, how I got started. Nothing is easy on this earth, but one thing you have to concentrate. When you concentrate in something, you're going to succeed. When you fail, go back and do it again. Even if you fail again, go back and do it again. Even if it costs you money, even if it costs you family, friends. We are in this world to hustle, nothing else. We are here to hustle. No matter what we do, we are here to hustle. Yeah, you might lose family, you might lose friends, you might lose best friends, you might lose your time, you might lose your job, you might lose your money doing this. But you have to keep trying, and the same thing of trying, you have to ask for help. When you fail at something, then you fail to realize your mistake, why you failed. Please ask a friend you think might know. Ask me. Yeah, ask me. I talk about these things all the time. Ask me personally. Email me, and we talk these things out. Most times, it's the easy thing that you can do. Most times, most of the people is just concentration. People are concentration, giving their time to do something. That's why you see people don't have jobs. Yeah, but all the videos I do here, keep trying them one by one. If you've succeeded in any of them, please let me know, let us know, so that we give our people some morale, we give our friends morale. Our friends are value to us. And if you're watching this video up to now, it means a lot for me. If you just press the like button, if you subscribe to this channel, if you're not my member, we publish videos every week. We don't pass 2 to 3 videos every week, so that we keep updated to the latest versions. I'm going to be posting new websites, new ways that you can make money on the internet, and especially for those who are beginners and those even who are experts, this might help you, because I'll be revealing to you something you don't know, the websites you don't know. All you have to do is go and sign up and start working on these websites. So that is it for today, my people. A bonus tip for you. Again, I don't do this often. Go and watch videos. There's a video I always make about reviewing a website. It pays $10 per review. And if you're really a beginner in this, if you don't have a side hustle income, please go and check out that video. It's important for me. It's important to you that you start from there. In most cases, it's always the first payout that matters. When someone gets first payout, that's when they can believe, I can make money on the internet. Then they can go and start doing all the other researches they need to do. And that is what we need for the brother, for a sister outside there. Tell me what you think about the video. Tell me what you've understood, what you don't understand. Type in the comments, like the video, share it to your friends, and let's benefit together. Let's work together and let's support each other. Support a brother out. Send a video to him or her, as long as you know he's interested animal in doing online work. Yeah. So I sign out for today. I'll see you again in my next video. Shouts.